What's going on, everyone? Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today, we're going to be talking about Bkkt because there is a ton of volume in this stock today. Tons and tons of whales in the options flow, so we'll be going over that towards the end of the video. And overall, I wanted to give you guys an update on this stock because it is well known for its parabolic price movement. So drop a like on the video if you guys enjoy this content. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. If you want all of my buy and sell alerts, you can do so with the first link in the description. We're up over 77% on the week. But with all that being said, let's just jump right into it. All right, so here we have Bkkt. It was a SPAC, so it does have a super interesting chart right here. It stayed at $10 per share for a while right here. It dipped down below as it de-SPACed, but then it had an insane short squeeze all the way up to $50 per share within the span of 2 weeks. So since then, it has sold off. It's seen lows of $3.40. Yes, a swing from $50 a share to $3.40. Welcome to the freaking stock market. It's disgusting. Anyways, it is now at $7 per share, up 22% on the day. Let's give you guys an update. So here we have the market cipher. It got its green dot all the way back there February 2nd before it did do its move up. Now it's still moving up. There's not too much information to work with, right? I want to use this 2-week chart, right? It's going to cross over. It's going to give me the green dot on market cipher, but there's just not too much information to be working with. Let's move into the daily chart. So daily chart right here does show a volume spike. It does also show that the red money flow is curling up. With that being said, momentum is on the plus side right now, so you're not necessarily getting the best entry. The strategy is you want to be buying on the deepest red momentum wave. So the best place to be buying would have been right back here before this move when it was at $4 per share, but you can't always get the best entry, and sometimes you're only trying to day trade, right? So with that being said, the momentum is not looking like it's going to cross over anytime soon, as the VWAP is still pointing up. Red money flow is also coming up, meaning that there's probably some bullish pressure on this stock. Moving into the 4-hour chart, as you guys can see, it just moved into green money flow right here. We're seeing this same setup on so many different stocks, right, where it's overbought, right, on these shorter time frames. It's very overbought, meaning that there can be a pullback, but it's also moving into green money flow. Last time it moved into green money flow, it did show that it had some upside left. So best case scenario plays out somewhat similar to how it did right here in February, where it does get that red dot, but it does not sell off too much, and then it proceeds to go back to all-time highs. The hourly chart is showing very green money flow, meaning that it can continue this uptrend. Volume also spiked today, so definitely check to see how the volume is tomorrow. See if it spikes up just as much tomorrow. The red dot signal right here was definitely a failed signal, as the stock price has been moving back up, and you already see that VWAP curving back up, so it can continue this rally, can stay on this positive momentum wave, but understand the risks involved. There's definitely a lot more added risk when you're buying into a stock that's seen such positive green momentum over the past week or so. I'd like to quickly thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Moomoo, a licensed FINRA broker that does absolutely zero payment for order flow. They're running a promotion where all you have to do is click one of the links in the description, second link in the description, or pinned comment section, first link in the pinned comment section. Make an account, deposit $1 on their platform, boom, you get up to $7,000 in free stock. You also get an additional share of NEO, which is currently going for $21. So get a free lunch on Hootmoney with Moomoo using those links below in the description or pinned comment section. Also, another up to $7,000 in free stock, potentially getting an Amazon stock, Apple stock, Google stock, Tesla stock, you name it. Links are below in the description to check it out. Anyways, guys, let's get right back into the video. Here you guys can see the short interest statistics. It stayed at 100% utilization over the past 7 days. It's also at a 34% cost to borrow. So honestly, it does have some pretty decent short interest statistics. 5.34 million shares are currently being shorted, 10 million shares on loan. So there's twice as many shares on loan as the current estimated short interest. Understand that means that there could be some monkey business going on in the stock. Days to cover is at 1. That is decent as well. Overall, the short interest statistics are definitely pretty good right there. Moving into Fintel, it's not showing that it has a short squeeze score right there. They're only showing 100,000 shares available to be shorted, which is not too much whatsoever. They're also showing a borrow fee at about 25% right there. Short volume ratio has been absolutely incredibly high, remaining over 40% and over 50% on some days. That's super, super high. Aggregate right here showing over 50% over the past 4 days. Absolutely insane right there. Also, a very solid amount of failure to delivers there at the end of February. Considering that there's only a 37 million share free float on Bkkt, over 1 million failure to delivers in a single day, and almost 2 million right here, February 23rd. That's ridiculous. That's absolutely insane. Here's the juice, my friends. This is what led me to make this video. It's the unusual whales options flow. Typically what drives my conviction in a lot of my videos. You're seeing $10,000 in premium or more asset side only calls and puts, and there is tons and tons of volume today. Not the greatest that we've seen. The biggest trade today was $33,000 with a $10 strike price expiring May 20th, 2022 right there. The premium is 90% bullish. They're targeting that 5/20, 2022 and the $10 strike price, but it's definitely being skewed by that big buyer. Looking at the daily flow breakdown, we're looking at the call option volume plotted on a chart and put option volume. It does in fact follow the price action pretty accurately. The run back here in the beginning of February did not last too long. It did not go too high in that call option volume. We're starting to get some volume here today. Potentially this could lead into a multiple week thing, but it's obviously not confirmed, and understand the added risk that you're getting into when you're buying something that has increased in call option volume 4x from the day before. Max pain for 325 is at $5.50, which does show some downside risk. It's at $10 per share, however, on 414, which shows some upside. It's at $7 per share right now. $10 per share by 414 does in fact show some upside, and this is because of all of these puts that we're seeing right here. It also has some very nice gamma exposure, which could be a reason why we're seeing some nice explosive gains today. So that's all I got for the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, drop a like on the video if you guys did. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. Bkkt definitely can be showing some upside. I'm not taking a position in this stock because I'm trying to just concentrate on bbig right now. That's the stock that I definitely see the most upside in, but Bkkt is definitely a nice little parabolic runner. It typically does run for multiple days when it does, so for that reason it's definitely on my watch list right now. Anyways, I don't have too much more to add to this video, so drop a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. Check out Moomoo if you want up to $7,000 in free stock as long as you deposit $1 on their platform using the links below. Also get a free share of Neo on top of that. And check out Hootmoney trade alerts if you want all of my buy and sell alerts. We're up 77% as of the past week. Anyways, my friends, that's about it. I'm signing off for now. I'll be seeing you guys next time.